Let's have a look at how the OT and IT world can be connected. This is the end of a production line in an automotive manufacturing facility. The cars get finally checked before they leave the factory. The first car is arriving and can directly move into the testing area. Industrial sensors are used for efficiency monitoring of the test procedure. They detect the presence of a car and forward the processing time of each test station. Connected to ICE2 modules, this data is directly sent to an IT system. Testing is completed. Now it's time for the next one. The data is now available in an IT system and can easily be used for overall efficiency monitoring of one or several production lines. For realizing these kinds of applications, there's no need for a PLC, as the ICE2 module establishes a direct connection between the OT and IT world. Additionally, the information can be displayed on a dashboard located in each production line for guiding the workers.